Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change BMW X4 wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft cloth, and a protective mat for your windshield. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition completely off. It is crucial to lift both wiper arms into their service position before you begin any work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, protecting your windshield from accidental damage. We will cover each step in detail, making this task straightforward for everyone. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift one wiper arm away from the windshield. You will find a small release tab or button near where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to unlock the old blade. Once unlocked, slide the old blade off the arm. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the glass, as this could cause damage. You can place a soft cloth on the windshield for extra protection. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Once attached, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat this exact process for the other wiper blade, ensuring both are correctly installed. Finally, let's complete the process and test your new wipers. After both new blades are securely installed and the arms are gently lowered, turn on your vehicle's ignition. Activate the windshield wipers and spray some washer fluid. Observe how the new blades perform. They should clear the windshield effectively and quietly, without streaking or chattering. This final check ensures your new wipers are working perfectly, providing clear visibility for safe driving in all conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.